Hello guys, good day and welcome to another series of Learn with me. So what I will be teaching you today is how to cut your bottom and your gusset of a bag. So this is the measurement, the basic measurement. As you can see, you can just screenshot this to have it. So on your bag, any bag you want to make, or so what you need to do is you take the height of the bag, the measurement of the height of the bag, and this is 8.5. Let's say for instance the measurement of your bag is 7.5, so you add half inch to the top, half inch to the bottom. That's where we are going to get 8.5. So that is it. And the wideness is going to just be 4. That's the side of the bag, the wideness you want it to be 4. So now come to the bottom where it's look tricky, but it's not that tricky if you understand what you need to do. So you measure 2 centimeter. As you can see, this is inch, but this is centimeter. On all my video, if I want you to understand anywhere I'm using centimeter, a different measurement value, I always indicate the value there so that you understand. So this is 2 centimeter. You measure 2 centimeter from the edge to this part, 2 centimeter from the edge to this part, and here from the bottom you measure 3 centimeter upwards. So after that you rule. So after you do your calculation, the center is going to be 6 centimeter, and you are going to cut this off. But if you are going to cut it off, you are not just going to cut it off fully. Instead, after you mark this, you are going to cut just the inside out, just the inside out. So you shear this, use your tail, your scissors to shear this part, to cut this part as well. So when you apply your gum, you are going to fold this just like we are going to show you. I'm going to show you in the next video clips now. So for you to get your bottom, which is the bottom here, let's say the length of the bag is 11 and half. Let's see, this is 11 and half. So you are going to measure 11 because this particular side has taken the rest of it. So when you measure 11, this part you are going to measure 5 inch, because when you make your calculation that this 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, which is plus 2 centimeter, which is 4 centimeter, plus the 6 centimeter here, at the end of the day, when you make that calculation, you are going to get your 5. But where it's tricky, that is not 5. This 2 centimeter here and this 2 centimeter is the continuation of this 11 here, which is the 11 and half initially we have on our bag. But your 6 centimeter plus this 3 centimeter, another 3 centimeter here, which is 12 centimeter, and when you check on your ruler, you see that it's equivalent to 5 inch. So that is how we get our measurements. And stay tuned to watch the rest of the clip. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload another tutorial on this channel. Share this video with people it might be of help to them, and we'll see you in the next one. So stay tuned to the rest of the video and watch it to the end. So just like we have explained, so at the end of the day, this, after you measure this particular side, when you want to cut it, you measure like half inch, which is the side we are going to fold here. So you see the reason why we measure this particular measurement we talked about earlier. So we gum this side down and the top as well. So when you want to sew, that is when you fold this bottom to give you the gusset type. Then this is the bottom as well. We've already added the inch we are going to be folding to this side, and as you can see, this is the folding. So right now we are just going to show you how to join them together from this particular side to this particular side. So it's as easy. You make sure you take the measurement from this particular side to this particular side, the same thing applicable to here. So it will be, this will be at the center, and you make sure when you want to stitch, you start from the edge here, this particular place I'm showing you where this end you start. Make sure you don't go beyond that, because if you go beyond that, when you want to fix this to your bag, it's going to be very difficult for you, as the measurement would have reduced by then, because this is already accurate measurement. So you stitch it from this particular place, you reverse and you stitch back to this place, and you double stitch as well. So that's how to make our gusset, and right now we'll be showing you on the machine how you can stitch it and the outcome of this particular project. So we are applying a machine oil to it so it can go freely on the machine, and as you can see, we are going to take the measurements to know if it is at the center. But if you are doing it for the first time, you need to do this particular you need to do it this way. But if you are used to it and you know exactly what you are doing, you can even measure with your eye and you know exactly where the center is. And now you see the way it will be stitched. So you see, just as I said, you start from the edge, you make sure you reverse to keep it down, then you keep sewing the rest. So as you can see guys, this is how to make a gusset. So at the end of the day, this particular side, once you take this way, you see this is how it's going to be on the bag, just like this. As you can see, this is how it's going to be on the bag. So hope you guys understand how we normally fix our gusset. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And the lining as well, this is how you fix your lining, because you don't want your lining to get to the extremely end, but if you want to do it that way, you can do it. But at the end of the day, we are going to fold this. So after we finish fixing it, you are not going to see any rough work from the inside of your bag. So if you prefer to cut the lining to the end, you can do it that way. You can also do it this way. So there's no problem there. Hope you guys understand. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This video a giant thumbs up. If you are new to the channel and you've not subscribed and you are watching this video as right now, you can use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, as you will be one of the first people to get notified when we upload another interesting tutorial on this channel. Leave in the comment section down below anything you think on the particular project, or if you think we should do another project, or you have anything in mind, let us know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.